Just love me. I wanna be love me. Just love me. I wanna be love me.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do this hair tutorial. I already have my hair, you know, kind of gelled down, you know, and my little bun look. Okay, so for this look you literally only need some hair that you have laying around. I wanted to go for the curly bun look, so I'm using curly hair. This hair is actually from my hair company, XOXOKOKO. More information down below for you guys. If you want to check out some bundles, you can, but this is basically all you need for the video. A lot of people use like bobby pins or something to secure. I don't use anything to secure. I don't need to use bobby pins. I don't need to use a hair tie. You simply just use the hair that you got. Okay, so let's just go ahead on and start with the video. Alright you guys, so the first thing that you're going to need is some hair. This hair is from my hair company, XOXOKOKO. It is the deep wave Brazilian hair. If you guys are interested, information for ordering this will be down below. But to start this simple little look, you just need some hair. You can have some bundles laying around. You can just use that hair. And then you're just going to kind of just wrap it around your bun. I just continue to wrap and wrap and wrap until I run out of the bundle that I'm using. I only use one bundle of hair in this video, but you can use however many you want depending on how thick you want your ponytail to look. I have a small head, so I don't want mine to be super thick.
You to come on over even if I'm asleep. Wake me up in my dreams. When you find me in my sleep while I'm dreaming, and you come behind me, remind me while I ain't trying to play. All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a minute, do it how you want it. All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a minute, we'll do it how you want it. I need you now.
In here, you guys, is where I was speaking about wrapping a piece of the hair around the tracks. That's what I did to basically cover it. This is the key to not having to secure the ponytail. You can add bobby pins in if you want to, but I wasn't doing too much, so I just wrapped the hair around to secure, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. This wraps up my simple how to do a low ponytail look. You know, this is really fast, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alright you guys, that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. Leave me comments in the comment section. Again, this is hair from my hair company. So again, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give the video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you don't. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.